supposed to be taxis.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Nyeri gikaro-ini na anyitite mi ruhonge-ini rwa ukui, Engineer Charles Wangai augite mamukirire mutaratara utakinyaniirie ikiro kuma kuri ruhonge rwa buriri na uguo ni marabatara mitambo ya kiriu kuruta wira na ukinyaniru makiria.
As we are reviewing, we want our stakeholders also to demand for service and prompt service. Not a question that is as if we are punishing them. Is that you are paid for an inspection, you want to get a proper inspection and accurate and timely.
Mutaratara uyu ugitanywa kuhuthira ciringi bilioni 2 inene riri kugacirithia utungata uthurimi wa ngari barabara-ini hamwe na kuhukia ciiko cia ngukumio.
We want to bring modern equipment whereby we will minimize what we call human interaction, so that if your suspension is bad, that report is direct to you, and it's not a question of somebody guessing. Or if your vehicle brakes are not effective, we have equipment which will detect whether they are not effective, and it will come direct to you. It's not a question of guesswork, and that's what we want to modernize our inspection centers.
Mutaratara uyu wakinyanira ni ugutaithiriria hanene hari kuhurana ciiko cia ungumania barabara-ini kuria gukinyiria riu ruhonge rwa barabara ari rumwe rwa honge iria itororoketie muno hari ungumania. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.